In this video, we'll show you how to change the tail light bulbs on your Ford F-150. You can find them on CarParts.com via the link in the description. To replace the tail light on your vehicle, you need to open the tailgate. To detach the tail light assembly from the vehicle body, remove the two bolts with a ratchet and an 8mm socket. Then, pull on it to disengage the retaining lugs from their slots. You can use a car trim removal tool. Disconnect the two connectors by pressing on the retaining tabs. To increase the lifespan of the bulbs, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers and cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. You can now remove the light. To remove the light bulb socket, turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. To remove the 3157 brake tail light turn signal bulb, simply pull on it. You can order the bulbs used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new bulb. Put the new light bulb in the socket. Put the socket into the tail light housing and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. For great content, our best price, and fast shipping, download the CarParts.com app now. To remove the 3157 reverse light bulb socket from the tail light housing, turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. To remove the bulb, simply pull on it. Take the new bulb. Put the new light bulb in the socket. Put the sockets into the taillight housing and turn them clockwise to lock them in place. Reconnect the power connectors. The light is held in place by studs encased directly in the car body. Put the light back in. Screw the two holding bolts back in. Operation complete.